course. Next topic, Paterno-Bucci reaction. 2pi cycloaddition between carbonyl compound and olefin or alkynes in light is called as Paterno-Bucci reaction. 2pi cycloaddition between carbonyl compound and olefin or alkyne. Olefin means with a double bond, alkyne means with a triple bond, is called as a Paterno-Bucci reaction. If they are reacting with olefins, oxytanes are the products, alkynes, oxytenes are the products. Olefin means double bond will converted to single bond in cycloaddition, that's why oxytane. Okay, alkyne means triple bond will converted to double bond, oxytenes are formed. Oxytenes are unstable, gets opened, convert into alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This is the reaction. Carbonyl compounds, olefin at the lambda maximum of carbonyl compounds, okay, they will converted to oxytanes. Compound plus alkyne convert to oxytenes. Okay, here we have a formaldehyde, okay, HCHO is equal to plus double bond in presence of light, cycloaddition occurs simply if this bond is shifting here, this bond will shift it to this carbon. Like two olefins are undergoing cycloadditions, 2 plus 2 cycloaddition of two olefins, we are getting cyclobutene. Here one olefin and one C double bond O is involving, that's why we are getting 4-membered cyclic ring with oxygen, that is oxytane as the product. Okay, here C double bond O and this triple bond. If triple bond is here like that, one pi bond will be shifted here and this pi bond will be shifted. Then between this carbon new bond, this oxygen, this carbon new bond. Okay, that's why here one pi bond is involving in cyclization, another pi bond will be there in the ring. Okay, that's why oxytene you are getting, that won't be unstable. Okay, 4-membered ring with the double bond, they will be cleaved into alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds are formed by the cleavage of this. Okay, this is okay. Another example, if you take pH diphenyl ketone, okay, this dimethyl olefin, okay, you are taking in presence of HNu. Okay, there are possibilities, two possibilities. Okay, olefin is interacting like this, or if you rotate this, two methyl groups will be up, means the bond is formed between this carbon to this carbon, this oxygen to this carbon will get one product, this one. Okay, another one, if you are shifted, means inverse spin. Okay, if you are reversed this methyl will grow up and this carbon will come down, then this carbon, oxygen to this carbon with the dimethyl group. So you are getting this. Okay, this is the major and this is the minor. Two products possibilities are there if we have a olefinic carbons are different. Okay, here these two carbons are different. This carbon 2 are attached to hydrogen, here 2 are attached to methyl groups. Okay, if these two are different, olefinic carbons are different, we will get the different products. Possibilities there. What are the general features? Okay, reaction mixture, irradiated at absorption wavelength of carbonyl compound. As usual, the excited state are N2 pi star singlet and triplet. Singlet stereospecific, triplet non-stereospecific. Reaction products are oxytenes and oxytanes are the reaction products. Okay. This is whatever the example I already told you, again it is repetition. Okay, this mechanism, if you see, in presence of light, first it forms a singlet, intersystem crossing, it forms a triplet. Okay, then that will be always the reactant will be in excited state, whatever reacting with that reagent. Okay, that will be in ground state, S0 state. Okay, ground, singlet ground state. Okay, triplet excited state. Okay, now this. Okay, whatever the intermediate between the transition state of the reactant and the reagent is called exciplex. Okay, here we have two possibilities. This can be like this or like reverse. Okay, exciplex. Here if this is involving like this, first what happened, this bond cleavage occurs, this bond cleavage, here will get one radical, here will get one radical, this and this will form a bond, will get this. Okay, Then after that this and this will be combining to form a sigma bond here. Okay, then here if you see, if this bond is cleavage, here this radical and this radical same we are getting, but reverse of this. Okay, if this is like this, okay, this is reverse of this two conditions. Okay, simply if we are breaking this bond, here radical means this O attached to the carbon with hydrogens, here this O is attached to the carbon with methyl groups. That is the difference. Two products you are getting, minor and major. Okay, here like this, this is the reaction mechanism and these are the products. Okay, here reaction intermediates are 1,4 biradicals. Before formation of 1,4 biradical intermediate excited state, carbonyl compound and ground state olefin develops a temporary change transfer complex is called as a exciplex. As I told you, the temporary complex is called exciplex. Okay, one more, if you take cyclic also, cyclic olefins also will be involving in this Paterno-Bucci reaction. Here one more example. Okay, triple bond pH, same here we will get oxetine you will get from this. Okay, again that will be cleaved to form a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay, this is shifting here and this will be shifting here. This pi bond will form as a carbonyl double bond and this CO bond breakage occurs, this form a alpha beta position double bond. This is one more example. These are all the example. This Paterno-Bucci reactions are stereospecific singlet transition state. Okay, if they are triplet means non-stereospecific. Here singlet transition state H nu. Okay, here this is shifting here and this is shifting here. What are the methyl groups are there? Okay, cis. Okay, they are in cis, all methyl up here. Ground state. Okay, here before also they are same side, after also they must be same side after the product formation. Before they are trans. Okay, here they are trans, here they are also trans. Okay, stereospecific, whatever the stereochemistry is there, that is retained here. Specific stereochemistry products will get. Okay, in Paterno-Bucci reaction, if all the resulting products maintains or retains ground state olefin stereochemistry called as stereospecific Paterno-Bucci reactions. Okay, if that stereochemistry, if cis is involved, cis product only if you are getting stereospecific. Trans olefin is involving trans product you are getting, that is called as stereospecific reaction. This is the reaction mechanism. Cyclization faster than cis bond rotations. The ground state olefin stereochemistry is retained in the resulting product. That's why stereospecific reaction. This is stereospecific reaction mechanism same. In presence of light, first forms a singlet, then intersystem crossing it forms a triplet. Okay, that triplet excited state, now the carbonyl compound is in excited state, that will be react with ground state olefin and forms a exciplex. Okay, here. Okay, this is the product we are getting from that. Okay, this is about the pattern N2 pi star triplet non-stereospecific product. If you are getting cis, there is a possibility of formation of cis and trans both. If you are taking trans, there is a possibility of formation of cis and trans. Okay, if it is involving triplet transition state. In non-stereospecific reactions, products forms cis and trans olefins are the same. The system crossing N2 pi star triplet with this. Okay, this is limitation. If olefin is having allelic CH function, Paterno-Bucci reactions are accompanied by photoreduction. If allelic position CH function is there, allelic means the carbon adjacent to the double bond. This is allelic carbon, this is also allelic carbon, and this is also allelic carbon. If allelic carbon is having hydrogen, okay, they undergoes photoreductions. Okay, that possibility also is there. Okay, here this will undergo photoreduction. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds are formed, that again they will convert it to the alcohols. Okay, photoreduction of the product, whatever it is formed, undergoes photoreduction in the reaction. That possibility is there if allelic hydrogen is there in the Paterno-Bucci reactions. Okay, these are all some examples Okay, this is about pattern of Bucci reaction. Simply 2+2 cycloaddition of carbonyl compounds with olefins and alkynes to give oxetane and oxetenes. And sometimes if oxetenes are not stable, that's why they will convert it to alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Simply like 2+2 cycloaddition of two olefins. Okay, thank you.